Welcome to another Agno AI Agentic Framework series. This is another video where we'll look at another use case, and this time it is the transcription agent. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. Here we have the Python library imports. Then we have the input audio file which is being used to transcribe. And we are asking it to please transcribe the audio file located in the URL. We are passing the URL in our prompt. Before we proceed, let's see what this audio is about.
Hello, Liam. Hey. So, just wanted to run something by you. I'm thinking of taking on that new project lead role, the one they announced this morning. Yeah, right. Sounds ambitious. Ambitious is good, right? I think I could really bring some fresh ideas to it. Yeah, right. Absolutely. Fresh ideas are just what they need. Okay, well, I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for the encouragement.
Okay, so that is the input audio, and we are using OpenAI 4.0 Mini. I have the shell script that starts the Python environment, which has all the dependencies, and the dependencies are there in the Agno Cookbook code page itself. Okay, so here is the script, same script that we just saw, sh run one.sh. Let's see how well it transcribes. Please transcribe the audio file located at. Okay, so here is the output.
Hello, Liam. Hey. So, just wanted to run something by you.
We will listen.
I'm thinking of taking on that new project lead role, the one they announced this morning. Yeah, right. Sounds ambitious. Ambitious is good, right? I think I could really bring some fresh ideas to it. Yeah, right. Absolutely. Fresh ideas are just what they need. Okay, well, I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for the encouragement.
Yeah, it is. So it is accurate. That is a demo of Agno's agentic framework to transcribe. Just few lines. See you in another demo like this. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.